Democrats are in hyper hysteria mode over the resignation of Justice Anthony Kennedy from the Supreme Court. Uh, Trump gets to name another justice. Oh, the injustice of that. Follow me here. Democrats are so afraid that this is going to result in the overturning of Roe v. Wade. That's the landmark decision on abortion. Now, let me put a parenthesis in here of just reality and truth. Honestly, worst case scenario, if that happened, do you know what that would mean for the nation? It would simply push the governance of abortion back to individual states. And it doesn't take a genius to know what would happen with that. In California, they would legalize it, up to 2 years after birth. They'd want to make it so women could choose to kill their baby at any time for any reason, no doubt about it. Mississippi, on the other hand, probably would make it illegal. So the worst case scenario would be that a woman in Mississippi who wanted to kill her baby would have to cross state line. That's pretty much the worst thing that could happen. All right, now let me tell you what the real fear should be for Democrats. You ready for this? They should be fearing the overturning of slavery. Follow me here. Number one, Trump is without question the biggest, most obvious racist in the history of mankind. And now we know that his supporters, those who voted for him, over 60 million people, every one of them are racist. So you can't tell me slavery would not be a target. The complete repeal of the Emancipation Proclamation. And Trump, in his own weird way, he would probably adopt the values that liberals hold of diversity and equality in this move. Let me tell you how it would work. Now, in history, slavery was pretty much the world of rich white guys owning plantations, and the slaves were African Americans. But Trump would bring diversity into this. Listen, I don't think there's any question he would include Mexicans and Muslims into the world of slavery. And then to add to that, we know that he has a worldview of white supremacy. He does everything he can to support policies that help out white privilege. So again, he would bring equality in this equation because where in his history, that was rich white guys in the South. He would make it available to every white guy, regardless of their wealth. Without question. Democrats need to take a break. But the sad reality is there are parents paying $50,000 a year for their kid to go to a college somewhere where they would hear this video and probably believe it.